Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video, I wanted to show some options for stamping on a project. So you can stamp words. I mean, really, there's so many things you can stamp depending on what you have in your stamp collection. I did this layout over the weekend as a part of my little scrapbook stores Beatles weekend, crop weekend. And this one was a double page layout. So I have the 2 pages here inside my Misty tool. I don't have enough space to really show you everything, but it basically lines up like this. Hold on. Like that. Okay. And then it's a double page. Well, it's pretty much done. I did my splatters and it's decorated how it's going to be decorated. But what I realized is that I have a stamp set from L Studio and they have things on here like magic. They have like shiny little stars, like little sparkles. And then they have things like hashtag wonderful, um, hashtag together. Um, there's like different ways that you can obviously uh, build a sentiment or build a saying if you wanted to have like um, a stamped image of a title. There's so many different things. Plus, they have like an not asterisk, like a little star, the question mark, and the exclamation, and a bigger version of that other one. And then we have these down here with the diamonds. That's like a little sparkle. So there's a lot of different things on this, but I just wanted to stamp like a few things, right? So I know I want to stamp um the sparkle one, and I think I want to do, see, over here we have the magic and wonder, and then I have a magic over here. So I just was going to do a word up here and then the sparkle, okay? So I was thinking hashtag magic and wonder, hashtag magic is what I was thinking. Or we could do absolutely magic and wonder. Yeah. So I think because it's more solid, I'm going to do absolutely. Okay. On this side. So, like I was saying before, you can do whatever your heart's desires when it comes to stamping on your projects and things like that. This is also, I should mention, the 12 by 12 Misty tool. And this allows you to, as just like with your making cards, where you can stamp on your 12 by 12 projects and know that you're going to hit it at the same time, or the same place each time. All right. So let's try. And this video is going to be super quick. That's why I only picked a few things. And then I'm thinking I'm going to do the project part. I have another challenge that I need to complete, and I'm going to do stamping with that challenge. So you guys will get to see it again. Now, when it comes to the Misty tool and pressing down any of your stamp tools, I like to use, I got the Pink Fresh, basically like it's a press. So I just use this to press down to make sure we get a nice even spread. Right? And then, okay, I love the absolutely. I think that's stamped well enough, but I might want to put another one of these somewhere. Ooh. So we're going to go here. Oh no, maybe we'll put one here. And then we just ink it up. Press down. Lift up. Love it. You want to put one over here. And it's okay because we know where we're pressing down, even though it put a little mark, which you may not be able to see, it's okay because the stamp hasn't moved. And once I have it inked up, I know when I go back down, it's going to hit the same spot. And it's going to be okay. Okay. So that's just showing just a few. I did 3. We can do things in groups of 3. Or since we did one here, let's put one here. And then we'll bring the other side out. And there you go. So we'll take these clips off, these magnets off. So you have a few of the sparkles with the absolutely magic and wonder. And then we put another one right there. Okay, so let's look at this other side. Now, this side doesn't have much as far as like words and stuff. Like I put like say cheese, happy, but it wasn't like a major title. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to get to the magnet. Okay. So let's try something else on this one if we can. Let's see. Once we get it in, put our magnets down. Let's see. Now, see on this one, there's a lot more like open space. But up here, we're going to see what we can get to fit in. I like I have a picture of them, my niece and my sister, and then their family is in this one. So I was thinking maybe together could fit right here. Or if not right there, I could do together right there. But see, the only thing is this one is an outline. So I want it to be on something more solid. So I think I'm going to stick with my gut and go right here. Okay, so let's do this one. Okay. Again, press down. And then we're going to lift up. And the thing is with these, wherever it didn't like stamped perfectly, I'm just going to ink it back up. The whole thing. And let's stamp it again. It hasn't shifted. And we can put it right back down and really press on this part. And then we have our together. All right. And then let's see what else we can put on here. I was hoping they had family, but they don't. They have dream. We could also do like a This Is Magic somewhere. Let's see. Because they have This Is. Let me put it right here. This is magic. And what we'll do is we're going to get this all set up for one punch. One stamp. Okay. pick it up. And not to worry, like I said, if you don't put enough ink, the beauty of the MISTI is it allows you to stamp in the same spot multiple times without fearing that you won't line it back up. Let's get magic one more time. Might as well do it all. Just press it. And the reason why this one needed more pressing than the other is because this paper that I'm stamping on is very texturized. So it's not going to be very smooth. Okay. And then when I'm done here, I'll put, usually what I do is I'll put all my stamps on top of the MISTI and clean them all at once. We got 1, 2. I think this one I'm going to put over here. Tap, tap, tap. And press it down. So we got 1, 2, 3. We'll put one right here. And I was thinking, you know, on some layouts, what's cool is if you have like border stamps. Hold on. That one's going to be a little too close to the paper. So I'm going to clean off that black ink. That's what our fingers are for. Okay. Okay. So just that fast. There we have we've stamped together, and we have the little like shine symbol, a little star or diamonds thing, however you want to call it. Stamped a couple of times. This is magic stamped. And then with the other side, we have absolutely magic and wonder. And then we've also stamped the diamond here and here and there. And we could stamp it some more, you know, if that's what you want to do. But really, I don't want to overstamp on this because I do like the layout as it is. But I thought those stamps would be a good way to show you a possibility as far as using the stamps as a technique for your projects. Make sense? So now you see it together. It ties in. We have some stamping here, here, and here. And then on this side, here, here, and here. And I think it's cute. And that's enough. That's enough for this. Whereas on the project idea I have, we're going to do maybe a lot more stamping than what you see here. Okay. But this is just one example. And I think we're going to have some fun with this. And I didn't forget, but a lot of times I forget to pull out my MISTI because it is fun. It works so well with stamping on your projects. You can use it to do your backgrounds if you feel like you need help with the stamps and stuff like that, making sure everything lines up right. I mean, you can't beat it. Okay, so thank you guys for joining me. If this is your first time being here, please consider hitting the subscribe button. You can give this video a thumbs up, and then, like I said, keep an eye out because Tomorrow we'll have a video hopefully showing using this technique of stamping, which also will coordinate with one of the um, layouts from my little scrapbook store. We had a crop weekend this past week. What was that? The 7th, from 7th, 8th, and 9th. We had a crop weekend, and one of the prompts or challenges we had, I'm going to use that in my video to show you stamping. Okay. Thank you guys so much again, and I hope you have a great Tuesday. Bye.